The Bag of Smiles. Once there was a king who was very unhappy. He was so unhappy that he hated to see other people happy. If I am unhappy, my people must be unhappy too, said the king. And he made a new law. The new law said, no smiling or laughing in this kingdom. But in that kingdom, there was a man and a woman, a cat, a dog, and 5 chickens who were happy all the time. They didn't know about the law that said, no smiling or laughing in this kingdom. They laughed all day, and they even smiled in their sleep. The king heard about the man and the woman, the cat, the dog, and the 5 chickens. How dare you laugh all day and smile in your sleep? He shouted at them. I will take your smiles away. The king took the smiles and put them in a black bag. He tied a large stone to the bag and tossed it into the sea. You will never smile again, said the king to the man and the woman, the cat, the dog, and the 5 chickens.